24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This, these. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Let's start the lesson. Motivate the students to think and recall their previous knowledge. Learning objectives. Students should be able to use this and these correctly in a sentence. Differentiate between this and these. Pointing to specific things using this and these. Understand the usage of these words in daily conversation. Recall. Students have heard in a classroom these sentences like, "What is this?" or "Can you give me these books?" etc. Use some sentences to recall these words such as, "Oh, this is Hamad's bag. Look here, these are pencils. Please give me this copy. These are your books." Introduction. Use of this and these. Tell the students that we use this for an object and these for more than one object. And to talk about something near us. For example, this is my favorite t-shirt. These are my favorite t-shirts. This is a cat. These are my cats. Tell the students to look at you. Put a book on the table and say, "This is a book." Now put flashcards of this and is with a book. This is a book. Do the same activity with more than one book. These are books. Use these objects for concrete understanding. First show one object with this and then more than one for these. Pencil, water bottle, bag, book, copy, toy, pen, marker, etc. Read. Draw pictures on the board like butterfly, cup, apple, cone, duck. Write sentences in front of the pictures. For example, "This is an apple. These are apples. This is a cone." Read each sentence at least 3 times. Move your finger word to word. After this, repeat with students 2 times. Recognition. Prepare the writing board as shown. Discuss each picture and ask the students what we should write in the blank. This or these. Complete the activity with class discussion. Review. Prepare the board like this and match with the correct words. It is better to draw pictures to motivate students than doing the activity with the help of students. Writing. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.